Did you know that whenever you order a drink on a cruise ship, that you will automatically be charged a gratuity for it? Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to another cruise tip video. So you walk up to the bar and you order your favorite cruise drink. Now once your onboard account is charged, they are going to give you the opportunity to provide a tip. And it could be on the receipt where you write the tip in, possibly electronically, or even through the cruise ship app. But before you fill that in and leave a tip, just know you have already left one. You see, most cruise lines automatically charge a gratuity every time that you order a drink, and this gratuity is already set anywhere between 15 and 18% depending on the cruise line. Now, of course, you always have the option to leave an additional tip if you feel the service was exceptional, if that's what you want to do, but know that you've already left one, and so there is no need to leave an additional tip unless you want to. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this cruise tip video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.